So hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, George from Flashskaters, and we have a gift. We have a gift from USA, and today is a good day, and it's a big surprise because I'm going to unveil and see what it's inside here. I have not checked it yet. I've locked my details so that you guys don't rob me. Yeah, so we're in Nairobi skate park. If you are new here, by the way, this is Nairobi skate park, and this is where you can come and do your skating every Sunday. We have a spot here. That is where flashskaters usually do their stuff. If you want to come and train, you can come here. We will give you a quality skating lesson. And we're just going to see what we have here in this box. These are a gift from USA. Finally, hata mimi nimetumiwa gift kutoka USA. So we are going to check what's inside here, and then if possible, from there we'll see what's the way forward. Let's go. Join, follow me. I'm looking for a quiet place where people will not, so that they can have peace of mind. And thank God the skate park is big. We have different vendors. Nani huyo? Hey brother. Nataka niko na budget ya wa skate park, watu wa skate park nataka kupelekea Ruto. Si budget like skate park ikwe tunaweza skate kila siku, si lazima ikwe tu Sunday peke yake. Hizi magari zitoke hapa. I'm just playing with you. Hii ni mali. So we'll use this side. Si hapa iko sawa bro? Ama unaona? Ama inakwanga imechapa?
Si. Hapa imetulia. Ama
pale?
Hakuna watu wanatumia hapa.
Zi hapo watu wanapita. Hapa katikati.
Pale.
Haya kama. Hi. So we good. Here. In the middle.
Let's do this.
Okay, so I'm going. They're using the other side. So we're going to unveil and check what we have inside here. This gift nimengoja for 2 months, and finally it's here. I'm super excited, and I'm also curious. I kinda know what is inside here, but I've not checked it yet. But I'm just let's see what we have here.
Nimekata.
Nimo, come on! Push up! Nice one, Nimo! Someone is passing you!
And I've said this a million times. I should get what? Initangaje? Unboxing knife. It's a pen knife. It's called a pen knife.
The small knife, I guess.
It's very small. I need to get that.
Yes, it's a pen knife.
Yes, before I unbox, can you take some picture of me with your phone?
You're not
Sure. People are curious to see what's inside here.
Waza. We are rolling, by the way.
We are rolling. It's okay. These are just behind the scene. If possible, yes, that was completely.
See full.
It's okay.
Let me change settings.
Another one. No, okay, we'll take also the other landscape, but after a thumbnail. Sawa. Nyuma kidogo.
Come on, Kayla, too slow.
Good? Let's see. I got to unbox. Can I see? Okay, so guys, this video is just we want to check what's on this box. That's the purpose of this video. We are going to together. We want to check what's inside here, and then I will do a subsequent video of reviewing whatever that inside here. But we want to check what's inside there, and if it's skates, if it's helmet, if it's, I don't know what's inside here. But let's go, let's do this. We are going to cut. So we cut from where? We cut and check what's inside here. How does it go? Okay, this way. Okay, the other side. Okay, then here. Okay, are you ready? I'm scared. Where?
Sudah. Unajua venye utafanya, si ndio?
Wait. Big man, look at this. Are we ready?
Black.
You good?
I'm good.
They get that?
I'm good.
Look at that. Look at that. This has never been seen before. Gift. Innocent. Unaona aje? Iko sawa? Okay, come bro. Let's get what's inside the box. And then so this is what we have. I was expecting skate, by the way, with Bama, but this is really cute. I really love it. I hope it's my size, and I love the pattern. I will not lie. This is just the first impression of what's inside the box. Let's check what else is inside the box. The other leg, it's a pair of skates. This is gifts. Look at that. Look at that. Those are gifts from USA. I really love them. I also love the color, the wheels. I just love everything about it. So we have to check what else inside the box. We have the shoelaces, and then the Allen key. This is for fixing and checking the wheels. So we'll put on the laces, and then we get a B-roll of the skates. Yo, you know how we do it. What do you think of the skates?
I love it.
You love it?
The pattern is
Futuristic. And
the shell.
and I will not lie, it's the only one in Kenya. Sindio?
Yeah.
Ama kuna ingine kai.
What is the price?
We are not selling anything here. Anyway, let's do this, and then we'll get a small B-roll. I'm really excited, by the way. This was a gift. I did not buy this, by the way. And thank you so much to James. And it was James. He's the guy alini plug nahi. I really appreciate, by the way. I love it. If you'll ever watch this video, shout out to you, bro. And I love this. I love this so much. I'm going to try them out. I can't wait to try them today. Super excited, brother. So by the way, guys, if you're new here, consider subscribing, and make sure, by the way, you check subsequent video, because I'm going to do a review of this skates. But before that, I'm going to give you a quick, explain a little thing of it before I do a test run of the skates. Innocent, hi.
Yesterday. Most of them yesterday.
Okay. You just wait. I will show you. When you come up and face sheet. So these are the shoes. You see it? These are the shoes, and my first impression, it's very nice. I love the pattern, this pattern. I really love it. Also, see from this other side.
It looks like the Cybertruck
Cybertruck
by Elon Musk.
by Elon Musk.
The outer shell.
The shell.
Yeah,
And
it's so
also,
futuristic.
I love the wheels. I think the black color is really perfect. Or if it was white, it would still be perfect.
It looks cool.
It looks good, yeah. And also the wheels, you know, for this part, this is very technical. You'll have to, you know, like physically try it for you to give a best review. But so far, I love the wheels. It's written what? It's 110 millimeter, guys. By the way, for those who really don't know what is this is a tri-skate, 110 millimeter. It's perfect for speed. At the same time, it's perfect for urban skating, and also freestyle, because I'm perfect. I can do freestyle with these skates, and I will do all that, you know, in the subsequent video for you guys to see. Today I was just doing, you know, like a launching of the skates. This is size 44, and I'm really excited. I think this is going to be my new baby. I don't know. What do you think, bro?
Those are so cool, man.
They're really so cool.
Yeah,
you
man.
love it?
Yeah.
You are just saying it for the video.
Nah, this
You
is honest. Yeah,
Okay,
honest. Give me one.
I'm going to put it out so that you can do a review of the skate. This looks nice. I'm not sure, but we'll have to try it for us to check, you know. You give it a try. Get some photos, and then I think I'll wrap the video up. Okay, so guys, I think I'm really excited by this. This is a gift. I did not buy this, and one thing I can say is that I'm super excited because this is going to be one of my main skates. I'm not going to dump the other one. I'm just going to, you know, to have two, because why not? So I'm going to make a video where I'm going to try the skates. I'm going to try them on the road, and you know, so that you can see, and I will really tell you a full in-depth of review of these skates, because right now what you see, this is just a first impression of the gift. We haven't tested it for us to, you know, like really tell you this and that is this and that. Sour. So for now, I think that's it for this video. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. I'm so happy, and once again, thank you to James for giving me these skates for free. I'm really happy. I'm going to try them out and give it an honest review. If you check the video, shout out to you and your company. Thank you so much. I think that's it, and we get a good. I'm going to go iron. Man.